Okay, I'm at the Mimaki booth, and when I was the only reason all these models right here have not been retouched. They came right off the printer. There was some water soluble support, and in fact, when I was taking this fella's picture, I took the picture and my face recognition tried to recognize its face while it was going on. So here, let me rotate this around so I show you. Again, no retouch. The only thing on this thing, it was printed just like that. It was printed just like that. And reportedly, these guys says those robotic arms move. So we got a static model going on there, but it's printed just like that. And you get an ultrasonic stuff to knock off all the water-soluble stuff. And away you go. Again, zero retouch, just printed straight up like that. This is the printer that's going on here, and pretty awesome. Again, no retouch, just a water soluble solution for support. Woohoo! These guys are awesome. What's your name again? Adam. Nice to meet you, Adam, and thank you for telling me all this great stuff. My name's Harold, and yes, I'm a first timer here, and I am overwhelmed.
Awesome.
Awesome.